Soldiers. Creation's been waiting. Generation's been longing, but it's obvious that the numbers they've been dialing has been busy. Because sons are busy sleeping. So this is a call to arise. Or haven't you heard that the earnest expectations of creation desperately awaits the manifestation of men who have accepted the call-up letter to the secret place, sons who understand the fact that there is no passing out parade from the school of the Spirit. So this is a call to arise. Or haven't you heard that generals are products of their training ground? This is why before the Lord sends Moses for a presentation before Pharaoh, he first lectures him in a private class called the burning bush, also known as the secret place, where he presents to him a manifesto for his generation. Beloved, we have been given a manifesto, a divine portfolio to go into the world and preach the good news, but obviously, we are fallen so in love with the 9 p.m. lullaby of NTA news that have become our excuse of why generation are waiting for this good news. We have been lazy. For so long, we have maintained the posture of a baby, but only then can we obey every command that comes from our daddy Jesus. We have been ignorant. Because as Yahweh's army, we are ought to be spiritually buoyant yet earthly relevant. This is because we are soldiers of Christ. Trained we have been, taught not to fight spiritual battles with physical combat. This is because we have been supplied with all spiritual ammunitions even before creation. Beginning with our worship, that is our worship. Once we step into this ship, atmosphere shift. Have you seen our automatic sniper, which is prayer? This sniper is loaded with inexhaustible bullets of tongues. Because when we speak in tongues, we bring down walls. Unlike mortal men who step into battlefields singing songs in English, we sing songs of angels. We chant. And as we chant, that is how we get charged. Have you taken a good look at our uniform before? Our uniforms are not made of cotton. Not be polo where they lock with button. Our khaki and the blood of Jesus, not be Ankara way tail or they cut with scissors. We are naturally abnormal, bloody and spiritual. We are soldiers of Christ. Posted we have been, assigned to stratas and systems of this world, beginning with the government, where we have been sent to go declare Jesus as president over all earthly residents. For his reign is not temporary but permanent till the very end. We have been assigned to the mantle of media. How about Jesus being the most trending hashtag on Twitter? How about his name being on our Instagram and Facebook stories? How about that kind of revival where your thousands and millions of followers are also followers of Christ? Can we even brag of the educational sector? Because our children are daily fed with iniquity in class as subjects and topic. Soldiers, we must hurry. If you want that time coming where our academic curriculum will stop being fixed by carnal men and women in the union, rather, it will be perfectly knitted by men and women who have drawn themselves in the pure stream of intimacy and worship. We cannot conquer the mountain of art if we continue to act different from the apostles in the book of Acts. Religion, family, and business will know no difference if we don't accept to stand in our duty post and maintain our difference. Soldiers, we must arise. Soldiers, we must arise. And if we must be willing to wave goodbye to the flesh. Or tell me, how would Moses have gone up if he hadn't been separated from the luxury of the palace? How would Peter have walked on water if he wasn't separated from the comfort of his boat? Soldiers, are you ready to take up these mountains? Because the price for elevation is separation. And just like Moses, the Lord will separate you. And just like Elijah, he will take you to that brook of Cherith, where he immunes your system with his own vaccine until you are kept separated against the coming gross darkness. Retreat, all ye soldiers, retreat. Because time is waiting. Generations are calling. Creations are wailing. Who will answer? The time is fast ticking. The clock is fast ticking. Nations are waiting. There are still souls to be won. And remember, you don't have to get scared, because your manual guide, the Bible, is still ever efficient. And the weapons of your warfare in efficiencies is still sufficient. So retreat, O ye soldiers, retreat. And note this, that even in this battle, we are not fighting unto victory. We are fighting from a standpoint of victory. In this battle, we are not fighting unto victory. We are fighting from a standpoint of victory. So you who is called into the mountains of Media, arise. You who is called to art, arise. You who is called to business, it's time to shine. Creations are waiting. Generations are calling. They are calling on you. 911. So once again, this call is placed. Arise, O ye soldiers. Creation's been waiting. Generation has been longing. They are waiting for you and I. But the question is, will you answer this call?